TDOT also asked me to talk about stipends. The industry likes to talk about stipends. They like to receive stipends. And I think this is one thing we also got right back in 2002. We fully encouraged it. It's a cost that the public agency pays. We don't always perceive a value in it, but it does encourage competition. Our regulation actually allows it, so we felt it was important to put it in the regulation that will allow it, will pay for it, and it's an acceptable cost for administering a federal aid design build project. Typically, it's 1/3 to 1/2 of the estimated cost for the proposer to prepare a technical and price proposal for a project. In some states, it's prescribed by state law. Arizona has a statute that limits it. Other states, the state DOT has discretion in determining the amount of the stipend. In most cases, the owner reserves the right to use the unsuccessful proposer's idea further in the procurement process. And our reg back in 2012 said if this is done, you must provide the industry with your notice of intent to do so. So just trying to promote transparency and fairness in this whole process. But yeah, Federal Highways allows stipends. We encourage it. We believe they're important in generating and keeping competition. We, like the owners, get nervous when we typically shortlist 3 to 5. In fact, that's what our regs say is desirable. And then when firms drop out, and sometimes they do, we get very nervous when there's only 3 firms left or sometimes just 2. And we wonder how competitive the process will be when there's just 2 firms left in the procurement process. But stipends are one way of ensuring that competition stays alive.